In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the beginning balance in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're setting up your accounting for the first time or need to make adjustments for accuracy, knowing how to modify the beginning balance can be a crucial skill. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to start by navigating to the gear icon. You'll find this icon conveniently located at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. By clicking on it, you'll open up a menu with a variety of options tailored to managing your accounts. From this menu, you'll want to select Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is essentially the backbone of your accounting records in QuickBooks. It lists all of your company's accounts, making it simple to organize and access financial data when needed. Once you've successfully opened the Chart of Accounts, your next step is to locate the specific asset account for which you wish to change the beginning balance. Once you find it, look for the option that says View Register next to this account and click on it. This option takes you directly into the account's register, which displays all the transactions related to that specific account. Now that you've opened the register in table mode, it's time to take a closer look at the transactions listed. You'll be able to see various entries, but what you're focusing on is the initial transaction or amount that represents the beginning balance for this account. You'll notice that this initial amount is highlighted, allowing you to click on it, and when you do, it opens up a field where you can make the necessary changes. This ability to click and alter the beginning balance is a powerful feature of QuickBooks Online because it ensures that you can maintain accurate financial records, which is crucial for any business. Whether you've discovered an error in the initial entry, or perhaps need to adjust according to new information, this is how you'll make those updates seamlessly. Once you've entered the correct amount reflecting the beginning balance you want, simply save your changes. The register will automatically update to reflect this new information. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the beginning balance within QuickBooks Online. With these steps, maintaining accurate and up-to-date financial records becomes significantly more manageable. As you continue to use QuickBooks Online, this skill will ensure your financial statements accurately reflect your business's financial status. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your QuickBooks Online experience. Until next time, keep your accounts in check and your records accurate.